Hello everyone here and welcome to my channel Graphic for You. This is my very first Cinema 4D tutorial and we are going to start in a very simple way. In this lesson, we'll learn how to use the program by modeling a red ball can. That means we'll be exploring the software step by step through this tutorial. It's very easy and let's get started. Okay, first I'll go to render settings, output, and I'll change width and height to Full HD. Close this window. Go to this icon to see 4 views. Go to front view, then I'll go to options. I'll choose configure. Click on back, then click here and add your image and see. Now I'll go to size Y and decrease image to make it smaller, like that. Go to offset Y to bring this up like this. Okay, yeah. I want to adjust the Y offset to lift the can up so that the bottom edge of the red ball can align exactly with the red x-axis line. Okay? Now it's perfectly aligned on the x-axis line. Okay, I'm going to use the pen tool to draw half of this can, and I'll start from the XY point and just draw exactly half of this can. Okay? Yeah. Now we have finished drawing exactly half of this can, and I'll go to this point, right click, and I'll go to choose chamfer. Okay? Drag your mouse right to create a curve like that. Okay? I'm going to move the first point I worked on a little bit upward like this. Okay? Okay, again, I'll go to this point and I'll choose chamfer again from here. Drag your mouse right to create a curve. Chamfer basically split it into 2 points, and when I drag it, it creates a kind of rounded or beveled shape. Okay? Yeah. Okay, now I want to adjust the shape so that it fits perfectly to the size of the can. So I'll go to this point, right click, and I'll choose soft interpolation. Now we have 2 points and we can handle our shape. Okay? Yeah. Now we have finished drawing the shape of the Red Bull can. Click on spline and then go to subdivision surface and add lathe. Put spline on lathe like that and see. Yeah, very good. Now I'll go to perspective view. Now we can see our can. Add subdivision surface to make it smoother. Press on this icon to make this can editable. And let's add texture. Go in this space and double click to add texture. Double click on it. Click here, add your texture. Drag and drop texture on our can. Go to texture icon, set mapping cylindrical, close style, decrease styles V, and decrease offset V. Okay, this is our tutorial today. So if you like it, don't forget like, share, subscribe, and goodbye.